boys and girls, it's Mrs. Barber. I am so excited to share with you that I had 42 student participants in our Family STEM Engagement Tower Building Challenge. Wow! Thank you so much if you and your family participated. I had so many awesome towers. There were towers replicated after famous towers. There were towers made out of such an array of materials. We had towers made out of Magna-Tiles and Legos, water bottles, quarantine essentials like packs of toilet paper and paper towels. We had them made out of cat food. We had them made out of toys. We had them made out of a little bit of everything. I'm so impressed. And some of them were balanced in a way that I had no idea how they were standing, but you made it work because of your engineer brain. So great job to you. If you participated, I thank you. I am so impressed. I wish I could give everyone a STEM prize, but we are going to choose one random winner today using our random picker wheel, which most of you have seen in the STEM lab, and that person will receive a STEM prize. Thank you again if you participated, and keep a lookout in the future because we are hopefully planning to run some more family STEM engagement challenges during our time at home. So if you take a look at my screen, you can see that I have all of the participants listed here. And we are going to click to spin this wheel and pick a winner. So the moment you've all been waiting for, here we go. There you have it, folks. Caitlin K is our random winner of our STEM challenge. Congratulations, Caitlin. I'll be contacting you soon about your prize. And thanks again to every participant. I should mention that our tallest tower was over 21 feet tall. Thanks again, boys and girls. Take care.